Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are going to continue with chapter 3, strategy initiative for implementing competitive advantages. So make sure that you have the book with you, page 30. So in chapter 3 we have 4 learning outcomes. List and describe the 4 basic components of supply chain management. Number 2, explain what is customer relationship management. Number 3, summarize the importance of enterprise resource planning systems. And number 4, identify how an organization can use business process their business. Basically, in this chapter, we are going to look into 4 different types of system that normally an organization can use in order to create their own competitive advantage, which is the 4 SCM, this is supply chain management. Number 2 is customer relationship management. 3 is BPR, business process engineering, and number 4 is ERP, enterprise resource planning. So we are going to look into those 4 system in details later. Okay, we go into the first system named supply chain management, SCM. The management of information flows between and among stages in the supply chain to maximize the total supply chain effectiveness and profitability. Okay, when we talk about supply chain management, supply chain is actually a process, how a product undergo a process from raw materials, then manufactured the product, then when the product is finished, the product is actually distributed to the retailer, then the retailer sell the product to the end consumers. So we need to manage the supply chain. That's why an organization should have a proper system in order to control over the process over and over again. Okay, in page 30 you can see supply chain management. There are 4 basic components which include the supply chain strategy, supply chain partner, supply chain operation, and supply chain logistics. It is a strategy for managing all resources to meet with the customer demand. Resources mean that how an organization manage their raw materials. For example, as a manufacturer, if you are a retailer, how you manage your stock, your inventory. Number 2, supply chain partner. Partners throughout the supply chain that they deliver the finished product, raw materials, and services. As we discussed earlier, involve several parties: manufacturer, retailer, wholesaler, distributor. That actually what we call as a supply chain partner. Okay, in supply chain operation, how an organization need to have their own schedule for production activities. For example, like a manufacturer, they need to allocate time of the process producing product from raw material into a finished good. For logistic, supply chain logistic, how the product is actually delivered from one place to another, then go to manufacturer, then go to the distributor, wholesaler, retailer, and finally goes to the customers. The book is between Walmart and P&G, Procter and Gamble. Walmart is a big hypermarket in the USA. How this big hypermarket link partners with Procter and Gamble, which is the manufacturer of products. So you can see from the diagram given, actually looking into how Procter and Gamble produce the product, then how they supply the product to the Walmart, the warehouse or distributor to the Walmart store, and then go to the customer. That is actually the process that name supply chain. Okay, what are the benefits drive when an organization use supply chain management? First, they can decrease the buyer power. Number 2, increase their own power, which is supplier power, or reduce the threat of substitute product and also the threat of new entrants. Increase efficiency while seeking a competitive advantages through a cost leadership.